Hello friends, I'm back with another video. Adobe stock fell down almost 4% because of analysts they downgraded the stock price. So most of the people they think like why Adobe is going down and what they do. So the Adobe is like if you see like any PDF files you open with Adobe, the PDF, which was basically designed by Adobe. At the same time, like they do have various products. If you see here, they do like Adobe Express, so that's for all the flyers and TikTok resumes and reels. They use this product. At the same time, like if you wanted to sign any document in online, you will be using Adobe Acrobat Sign, which is very well famous, as well as like you might be aware of Experience Manager sites, as well as Frame.io for businesses, organizers, and they might be using this software, as well as like they do have Photoshop, which is really famous. So like Adobe has a lot of products are there, and their revenue also like it is getting better, but however the stock price is going low. So let's see like is the Adobe stock is still buy or we need to wait. Let's see the balance sheet, and if you see here, the total revenue is increased almost like 2024 to 2025, almost from 21,505 to 23,769. It is increased. The revenue is increased, and total cost of revenue that's also increased, and gross profit also increased, and operating expenses is almost there but not much, and then net income is also increased from 5560 to 7130, 1683 to 1856. It seems to me it is good, like the stock price is going down, but if you see the revenue and gross profits are increasing. So it is sometimes like these stocks will go low because of the cycles, but as the revenues are keep on increasing, there is a high competition due to this AI technology. So that is also one of the reason behind this stock price going low. But overall, I'm positive on Adobe stock. So if you see the charts, like almost like last 5 years, it's almost like it's in the down cycle. But if you see here, it's almost like a 280, the support levels, or 290 seems to be a support level here as with the chart. And the PE ratio is 18.55, which is very low. It is very low. And then if you see here, 52 weeks range, 307 is the low, and 465.70 is higher. But I think like the stock price there is a pretty room to grow further. Even the revenue per share is beating every quarter, and the revenue also it is increasing by quarter. It is increasing, and I do hold some Adobe stocks. So I need to, as it goes low, I might be accumulating more stocks. So in my opinion, it is a good buy around $290. So you can accumulate more around $290. But at the same time, there is a lot of competition is there with another AI companies. So for example, like image generation, like Adobe has image generation, like other companies, a lot of companies are already available. They're also doing the image generation. Same for video generation as well. So mostly like Adobe is one of the best software they do is a graphic modifications and graphic designing they are doing. But now because of increased AI, most of the AI agents they are already doing those automatically. So that is one of the biggest competition for Adobe. However, the quarterly revenue is keep on increasing, but because of the competition, the stock prices keep going low. So it is good to accumulate around 290, 280, and then from there like it will consolidate, and then from there is a possibility that it might jump from there. However, I'm not a financial advisor. Do your due diligence and then you can pick the stock. So this is completely my opinion. Currently, I'm holding 17 Adobe stocks. My average price is around 345, and currently I'm almost like 10.5 percentage loss. But I will be accumulating more stocks as the price goes low. I will be doing a dollar cost averaging, and I really recommend going forward. I will be accumulating more as the stock price around $290, or as it goes low around 305 and 310 is a good price, but I like to wait for a little bit more. And price to earning ratio also, it is really good, and I do see it is a really a good buy, and if you can hold for next 2 to 3 years, you will definitely see the stock price is started going up.